Alright, what's going on, everybody? This is just LATR. We're ready for a new day, family. So today I'm gonna feel really hungry. So for today, I'm gonna be preparing some food. I will be making it to the trucker style. I was starving. I'm like, I can't anymore, so I'm about to prepare something to eat, and I want you guys to join me in this journey. So, yep, let's go. Alright, so we got a table right here. So we purchased this table. It's really nice. It's really cool. I like it. Alright, so let's try to do the thing on here, and boom, here we go. Oh, yeah, we have some space, so that's cool. It's a little bit cold, you know. I don't really want to stop in here, but it's a nice view, huh? Nice view. Yep. Alright, so it's time to open it. So let's see how it goes. Okay, you're giving me such a hard time. Come on, bro. Yeah, there you go. It's not that hard. Okay, he's making it hard. Okay. Just get broken. Cool. And this one right here is giving to me such a hard time. Okay. Okay. This is stretchy. Alright. Let's take the trash real quick in here. Let's open. Voila. We got the supplements in here. Alright, so I'm just gonna try to this is water tank. It's leaking a little bit. It's alright. So let's see if it works good. There we go. Working properly. Alright, we got some water in here. The iron, and I need to prepare the kitchen. So let's go, fam. Food Vitali would be amazing, but okay, it's fine. So let's get the little kitchen. So we got it right here. Let's try to be a little bit fast. Don't take that long, because you know we're driving, so let's try to make it as fast as possible. Just gonna place that for a while. Alright, so I got also a couple of things here for cooking. I'm gonna make some eggs, just eggs and maybe chicken, something to get on my stomach, because to be honest, the truck stop, oh my god, I can't make it anymore. You get tired of it. Okay, this is nice. I like it. Cool. We got also these things. I was just trying to get something that you can just grab and to enjoy. Okay. There you go. We got it. Okay, let's keep this for trash. Cool. All right, and we got it even right here. We got the hanger. All right, that is ready. What else? Okay, that doesn't matter. This thing, never mind. And we're good. Let me just get this stuff inside. Oops. All right, give me just a second. Alright, so we got the spices in here, we got the salts, we got a little bit of what we need, we got oil in here as well, so let's bring it out. Place it right here. Okay, this is cool. All right, let's see what we got in here. Just gonna do it normally. This one, okay, I will do it at the last. So, gonna place it right here real quick. Salt, really important. Okay, so it would be good to make some bacon. First, I will make. It's got you got chicken right here, so it looks fresh. That's a good thing. What I don't like is the sun. We got meat in here, still look fresh. We got some eggs in here, and this is what we're gonna do. So what we got, it is that we got it here. We turn it on. Oops. Should lock. Come on, bro. Don't let me down. There you go. Sounds good. Why you are not letting me? Oh, that's why. There you go. Come on, Lorenzo. You gotta use your brain. Okay, so. Boom, we got it, voila. You probably cannot see it, guys, but it is right there. I don't know if you can see. I don't think it's visible. But the fire is right here. Okay, so we're gonna get some oil. So for cooking, what type of oil I got? I got the toasted sesame oil. It's really nice. I like it. It's cool. So we're just gonna drop some. Boom, voila. That's enough. It smells like peanuts, and you roast the peanuts. Today we're gonna do 3 of them. Looks fresh. I like that. Okay, we got the 3 of them. So I would like to, but let's make it another way. Bam. Come on, bro. Okay. This is cool. I like that. So I just get here, I break it, and we make it happen. Let's go. Boy, no. Dirty things, no, Lorenzo. Be careful. Don't be nasty, okay? Okay. Oh my God. Oh, I'm just gonna put it here. At the end, I'm gonna clean all of this. We got the salt. Cool. There we go. I like it. Just move it a little bit more. Oh my God, it looks so delicious. It's so hard sometimes when you are a trucker to eat eggs. So, you know, you get the food from the gas station. That's something that me personally, I don't like it at all. So all right, so we got some towel. Hey. It smells good, huh? It smells really good. Okay, so I guess this is done. Just gonna go with this. Okay, we gotta save some gas, so let's turn it off. Also, I got bacon, so that's cool. Got some bacon in here. Nice. Okay, we got it. Ooh, it looks good. Let's do. It smells so good, my goodness. Let's make two. And after that, we're gonna okay, good to get some. We got black pepper. Cool. Okay, add some black pepper. Cool. Also here, you got one. All right, so the bacon is okay. I don't like too overcooked. We got the chicken right here. We're going with one. We go with two. And we go with three. See, pieces, that's fine. All right, so we'll let it cook for a while. We get the wrap in here so that way we can keep the meat protected. So come in here. Hey. Don't do that, bro. So you see, we got it right here. It's still fresh. So what I'm actually gonna do it is like just wrap it right here, so that way it doesn't get the flavors from the fridge. So you know, we keep it wrapped. So today menus looks pretty nice. I like it. Let me just go ahead and add some salts. Got it. Flip it. Nice. Everything on the right place. So close this thing. Cool. Important. I finished with the food. Back to the fridge, because it's hot out here. So we did. Everything is working in perfection. Come on. Add some more salt. Some salt in here. We're done with this. Okay, I'm cooking pretty fast. So the menu is gonna be eggs, bacon, and chicken. Not gonna make it no rice, no veggies. So while this is getting cooked, I'll show you a little bit around. All right, so we are in Colorado Spring Hill. So it's nice. Look at the mountain. It's really cool. Oh yeah, it's really nice. I love the open areas to breathe. I was like even coming all the way, and I was like going through the middle of the city, and felt so hungry. But I was like, man, I'd rather to stop somewhere like this where I can just enjoy the view and feel good. So that's the good thing about this. So yeah, I mean, this is life. Esta es la vida pura, bro. This is life. I mean, thanks God for everything He has given to me. Woo! I feel more excited than ever. It's amazing. All right, so while we made this stop, let's make sure that everything looks good in the truck. Oh yeah, we got the cooler right here. It would be good to get some ice. Okay, we shouldn't move. All right, so that while that is getting cooked, we're checking on the tires. Everything looks good. Just make sure that the lights is still working. Okay, everything looks perfect. Lights are working, nice. We're going through this way real quick. Everything looks good. Everything looks amazing. No cars coming, so we're safe. Handle, perfect. Tires looks amazing. And this, adjusted. You got it. So everything is good to keep going. Everything looks good. So it's gonna end up with finish with this. So, ooh, this looks delicious. Oh my God, this looks amazing. All right, so what we usually do, this is hot. So we come here, we get some water. Let me just put it out a little bit more. All right, we get some water so that way it won't be that hot. While we do that, this is done. Amazing. Just gonna cover a little bit. I'm gonna keep it inside. Oops, there we go. This is a little bit hot. Okay, it's not that hot. So place it in here again. Close. Boom. Boom. Hey. Relax, bro. Oops. Everything on the right place. This is nice. I could really put this over here. Okay, that's cool. Everything to the same spot that it was. This is interesting. Let's try to clean it up a little bit. Oops. I told you to fall down. So we got that in here. We're just gonna do a quick espresso until we get to a gas station or something and we can wash the dishes. So we just come here and boom, voila. Like brand new. Oh my God, this is perfect. Oh wow. Oh wow, I was not expecting that. This looks pretty clean. The only thing that looks a little bit dirty, it is this. But okay. Once we get to the gas station, we clean it out. And boom, voila. There you go. Alright. So let's try to keep it safe in here. So this is what I was talking to you about. So now what I would do is I would get the paper and I got surface cleaner. So what we're usually gonna do, we're gonna spray this. Alright. Get some. And boom! There you go. Hey, look at that. Oh my god. Look. Incidents that happens. Okay. If you don't get scratches in your body, you are not a talker. Alright, so this is done. We got the trash. So we unfold it. Oh my god, this is perfect. I love it. Everything is clean. So that way we take care of the environment. We come inside. You cannot tell me that that's not 5-star. That's a good mat. Let's see what's going on. Oh my god. Better couldn't be. Couldn't be better. Oh my god. So nice. I think the bacon a little bit salty for my taste. Alright fam. This is what it is. If you liked my video, just comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so that way you can receive notifications every single time I submit a video. So thank you so much for being with me. If you want any other video, just let me know. Drop something in the comments and I'll be watching. All right, so thank you so much. You got it. Bye-bye.